Hey there, welcome to day 1394 of What's She Up To Now. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, documenting the journey as I transition from brick and mortar corporate world of business over a quarter century, wow, of corporate experience alongside building different businesses in like 27 different industries offline. And then in 2017, I had the opportunity, following my divorce, to figure out what do I want to do, and I decided I would explore the online world. And now I do a little bit of back and forth in both. And I drop pennies around because that's what I do. Because our money idiom for Supersize Your Business today was about a penny for your thoughts, which is an idiom that's been around since 1522, and it's had the same meaning. Sometimes idioms over time, the meaning changes, but this is one that still means the same thing as it did in 1522 when the statesman Sir Thomas More published it in his book, Four Last Things. And it means, of course, it's a way of asking somebody what they're thinking about something. What are you thinking about this? Instead of saying, what do you think about this? Or what do you think about this? Or what are your thoughts on this? We say, a penny for your thoughts. Now, I've used it. It's been used on me. And I talked in Supersize Your Business about how you can use that and apply it to supersizing and growing your business. And that was our money idiom for today. Our annual challenge today was about watching and observing, which it's really fun to watch and observe around holidays, which tomorrow's a holiday, and we've got a two-part saying on watching and observing. So today we're going to watch things and see what we notice, and probably tomorrow we're going to observe things. Our No Nonsense November, which is over here today, was about excuses, and I probably went off a little bit on that. About excuses are really kind of lies that we tell ourselves or other people, usually to buy us some time or to get us out of doing something that we really don't want to do in the first place, or it's something that just isn't a priority for us. So I shared that today and talked about excuses, because we all have our favorite excuses. We all make excuses. As much as I know I'm making excuses, will still choose to use an excuse versus going into the detailed explanation of why something someone is sharing with me is not a priority for me right now. I've actually gotten to the point where instead of making excuses, a lot of times I will say to people when they're approaching me with something, sorry, this is not a priority for me right now. But I still use the I'm super busy and I'm too busy excuse when I don't want to explain all that. A lot of times people will ask me for my time or to go to lunch or pick my brain or whatever. And I'm like, I just don't have that time in my schedule anymore. I used to, but nowadays I just don't. And so instead of making an excuse, I'm being honest and saying, hey, there's no room in my schedule for 15 minutes with you, especially given that you just want to pitch your program or your business or your service to me, and you haven't even found out if it's something that I'm looking for or need right now. And I do not want to be a test bunny for your sales process, because I've got more important things to do, right? And things that are a higher priority to me. I'd much rather spend time giving my granddaughter a bottle and hanging out with her and snuggling her than do a 15-minute call with somebody trying to pitch me something that I absolutely positively have zero interest in. Hint, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, MLM, your network marketing thing. I don't have any interest in it. I don't want to be pitched on it. Been there, done that. Don't want to even, it's not a priority for me. I'm not going to spend my time and energy looking at that. If you approach me with, oh, you can make $1 billion or $1 million, or you're going to make big bucks doing this, I'm probably not going to be interested in that either. Why? I've been there, done that. I have other priorities nowadays that don't involve just making money or just doing certain things. I do have problems just like everybody else, but you got to know what those problems are and approach me with a solution to them, not just anything and everything that you happen to have that you're throwing out at the wall like spaghetti, thinking everybody will be interested in. So I am going to say have an awesome day. I'm going to start cooking for tomorrow for the holiday. I've got a giant turkey and my famous sweet potatoes and corn, and I guess I got an apple pie we're going to make, and probably make some cookies because I always like making cookies. And just going to go all out and make an awesome, stuffing, rolls, all kinds of cool stuff for the kids and maybe even the granddaughters now. Granddaughter can't even eat, but we'll make her some food anyway. And that she's only 9 months old, but she can eat some little things. She'll have a taste of things. Hopefully she'll like my sweet potatoes better than the metal-laden sweet potatoes that they serve as baby food these days. My daughter's done all this research on baby food, and I'm kind of horrified at all the things I didn't know when I was a mom, because we didn't have access to the information that kids have now as they're raising their kids. It's a double-edged sword, but there are some good things about information and technology that can help us make our lives better. So we use those things, and we throw away all the rest that doesn't serve us. All right, if I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'm going to go figure out how to cook a great big turkey. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the morning.